Hi traders, today Solana above massive breakout, and there are huge news in the blockchain. Before dive into this video, don't miss subscribe to the channel and like the video. Solana price today is $51.49, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.75 billion, market cap of $17.46 billion, and market dominance of 1.31%. The SOL price increased 3.96% in the last 24 hours. Solana reached its highest price on November 6, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $259.52. The lowest price since its ATH was $36.54 cycle low. The highest SOL price since the last cycle low was $58.78 cycle high. The Solana price prediction sentiment is currently bearish. Solana's current circulating supply is 339.14 M SOL, out of max supply of 500.00 M SOL. In terms of market cap, Solana is currently ranked 1 in the proof-of-stake coin sector and ranked 2 in the Solana Network sector. The price of Solana in the IEO was 22 cents and the token sale ended on March 24, 2020. Since then, SOL price increased 234.41x against US dollar, increased 15.41x against Ethereum and increased 50.51x against Bitcoin. Solana, SOL, is nowhere near flagging that a bull run is underway. Every rally during the week has been a mere drop on a hot plate as bears were quick to match and break below the previous trading day's low. With such bearish sentiment, bulls will further stay sidelined and await a better level to enter, with $19 marked up as the turnaround signal. Solana price is set close out the week below $61.44, which is on a weekly chart, a critical level going back to May of 2021. Together with the death cross, where the 55-day simple moving average, SMA, is trading below the 200-day SMA, and the red descending trend line, the overall tone is still very much to the downside, with no turnaround anytime soon. Even though this downtrend is going into its 7th week of declines, the relative strength index is still not oversold but is starting to even out a little bit. SOL price could thus be seeing a turnaround in the coming weeks, but as mentioned with the RSI, more downturn is still possible. Expect SOL price that could still drop 70% with the price devaluating from $61.44 to $19.04. That last level could be the long-awaited floor that could set up SOL price for a rebound and pop back above $61.44 before rallying towards $90.23, where it will face a double top with the 55-day SMA just above a historic pivotal level. It might even be that it does not come to that, as the US dollar is set to close out the week weaker than before, with the DXY index dropping. Some room for upside could be in the cards in the coming trading week. Should the euro-dollar ease further above $1.06, expect to possibly see SOL price creep against that $61.44 for a squeeze and pop higher. A break above the red descending trend line could see a quicker rally and pierce through $90 towards an even $100. Solana price in US dollar has decreased by -49.37% in the last 1 month. SOL is down -25.83% against Ethereum and down -32.43% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. According to our current Solana price prediction, the value of Solana will rise by 2.67% and reach $52.90 by May 27, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index is showing extreme fear. Solana recorded 40% green days with 26.63% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Solana forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Solana. Based on today's classical pivot point, with the value of $49.94, Solana has support levels of $48.82, $47.43, and the strongest at $46.32. Similarly, Solana resistance levels are at $51.33, $52.44, and $53.83. While the cryptocurrency market continues to suffer from Terra's death spiral, Solana is on the verge of a significant price movement. Solana ranks amongst the worst performing cryptocurrencies in May. The Layer 1 blockchain saw its price drop by nearly 60% during the first 12 days of the month. Although SOL has rebounded by more than 40% from the swing low at $36.20, it is locked in a consolidation pattern that anticipates further volatility on the horizon. The hourly chart reveals that Solana's price action since May 11 has led to an ascending triangle formation. The series of swing highs appear to have created a horizontal resistance trend line around $58.80, while the swing lows developed a rising trend line. A breakout from this type of technical formation can occur to the upside and the downswing. Still, the lack of trading volume in the cryptocurrency markets suggests that Sol could be bound for a steep correction. An hourly close below the triangle's hypotenuse at $49 could encourage traders to exit their position and increase the selling pressure behind Solana. Under such circumstances, the Layer 1 token might dive toward $44 or even $40. Given the magnitude of Solana's losses over the past month, it is reasonable that some traders would maintain a bullish bias. But patience is required to avoid exposure to further risks. Only a sustained hourly close above the $58.80 resistance level would signal the beginning of a bullish impulse. Slicing through such a vital supply wall could trigger a short squeeze that sends Solana to a high of $78. This target is determined by measuring the height of the triangle's y-axis and adding that distance upwards from the technical pattern's x-axis. To get a better idea of what could happen to the Solana price in the future, it's helpful to also explore Solana's price history. In the last month, the SOL-USD pair is down -49.36%. The one-year performance of SOL-USD is 50.10%.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies, when there's so many